do an unboxing for VideoMic NTG. Well, let's see what's in here. Let's go ahead and open this. Start with opening this right here. Look at that. Is that it? Okay. Opening. Let's okay. And has a little on and off button. It probably needs to be charged. Feels nice. Comes with this. Okay. I'll put that on the side. Comes out the cable. And the USB. Okay, so we got a little, I don't know what you call this, pouch. Looks like that. Yep. The knob feels really nice, smooth. This is metal. Okay. Then you have this thing. And this thing. And then you got the USB. Let's see if I can charge this thing. I'm going to go ahead and try to test the audio with this mic. I have the right now I'm using the mic Go 2, and we'll test the NTG mic once it gets charged. It's not charged yet, so I have to wait it gets charged so we can use it. I really don't know how the mics really operate. Still learning on the mics, but yeah, we'll be back. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. Testing the mic. 1 2 3 test. Testing the mic. Go 2. This is the Go 2. Go 2. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. Testing the NTG mic. Testing the NTG mic.